Hey guys, Sydney here from Mercedes-Benz Scarborough. Now today we have a E450 Cabriolet Coupe. This is a 2023, we just got it. Now it does still have some of the wrappers and everything on it. Literally just came off the truck the other day. Nice thing about these Cabriolets is they do have a lot of space in the back compared to most convertibles. And I just absolutely love this trim that we have right here. So this is all blue leather throughout the car. And then down here we have this really nice new trim that Mercedes started doing. It's a light tan wood trim with a slight metallic to it. I think it looks really nice. It opens up the car a lot. Now another nice thing about this car too, it is an all-wheel drive. So whether or not you want to use it for the summer or the winter, it'll be great for both. This is definitely a really nice car though, especially on the nice warm days. Now, just to give you a glimpse of the interior. Now don't mind, like I said, it's still in wrappers. It's got the memory seats with heated and cooling. And then down here, to close the soft top, it is very easy. You just push down right here and it will shut it right for you. Very, very easy. And it comes with many different technology features as well. And you can kind of customize the display to however you want it to look. Which is pretty cool. It's got tons of features over here. It also has the parking assist and the air suspension on it. And that's just what it looks like with the top down. What's really nice too is it doesn't have that divider right here. I know that can kind of get in the way and it can kind of make it not really look like a convertible, I guess. I mean, obviously it's going to look like a convertible, but sometimes just, you know, the little pillar that goes right here can get in the way. And then that's just, you know, what it looks like with the top on. Very, very clean car. Now when I go back here to open up the trunk, just open the little star button. And you got some space back here along with some WeatherTech mats as well. Alright, now that is just a little bit of this E450 Coupe. This is a really, really nice car. It's a 2023. This is our first 23 we have gotten with the E450 Coupe, and I would definitely come and check this out. It's a beautiful car. It's got tons of features as well to offer in it.